how to manage events ratings you submitted on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage events ratings you submitted on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings, and now go down and click activity log, and then click this one, groups, communities, events and reels, and then click go down and you will find this one, events ratings you submitted. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.